Chaos. It's the enemy of consistency. And consistency is the only currency that buys results. The alarm doesn't ask if you're ready. It asks if you're willing. Willing to trade the comfort of sleep for the discomfort of growth.
This is the problem. Reaction, not strategy.
If you fail to plan, you're planning to fail. I was failing.
It starts with precision, not guesswork. Fuel is math.
This is my arena. Sunday, 6 a.m. No excuses. Armor on. Mindset locked. The architecture of the week. Built in 90 minutes. Let's build. Protein, the brick and mortar of muscle. Not just fuel, flavor. If it tastes like cardboard, you won't eat it. High smoke point, no oxidation, clean energy. That sound? That's the sound of commitment. Don't touch it until it releases itself. Patience. Lean beef, creatine, iron, and the density to keep you full. Texture, aromatics. This isn't a chore, it's cooking. Uniformity ensures even cooking. Even cooking ensures predictable results. Maillard reaction, science making delicious. Omega-3s, joint health and cognitive function. The brain needs it. Data, no guessing, safe, perfect, every time. Resting, the most important step, lock in the moisture. Protein is the foundation, but a foundation alone isn't a house. Complex carbs, the sustained energy your engine craves. Sweet potato, low glycemic index, won't spike your insulin. Rosemary, anti-inflammatory, tastes like winning. Space, if they're touching, they steam. If they steam, they don't crisp. Quinoa, the complete protein grain. Fluff it with a fork, don't turn it into paste. Broccoli, sulforaphane, fiber, the non-negotiable green. Roast it, don't boil it, texture is king.
Color variety. Different colors, different phytonutrients.
Knife skills aren't for show, they're for efficiency. 3 trays, 1 temperature, multitasking without compromise. Texture, mouthfeel, it matters. Caramelization, that's the reward for patience. Char isn't burn, char is flavor.
For variety. Green beans. Quick, easy, nutritious.
Fresh herbs, they elevate the mundane to the craveable. Look at that, that's abundance. That's preparation. It's a battle, but every battle worth fighting gets you dirty. Assembly line. This is where discipline becomes tangible. Carb base, 150 grams. Alternative carb source, variety fights boredom. Lean protein, 200 grams, the main event. Red meat days, for iron and strength. Fatty fish, twice a week, for the heart. Greens, non-negotiable, every single day. Fresh sides, enzymes, live food. Finishing touches, texture, spice, satisfaction.
Sealed, secured, ready for war.
No confusion. Grab and go.
From chaos to order.
90 minutes. The entire week is solved.
No more vending machines. No more fast food compromise. Fueling the repair. Immediate nutrition. Sunday's work pays dividends all week long. Consistency. It becomes a rhythm. The physical evidence of discipline.
You look in the mirror, not for vanity, for accountability.
The food is the foundation. The gym is the expression. Strength, earned in the kitchen, demonstrated here.
Grip, grind.
Pulling your own weight, literally and metaphorically. Detail work. The small muscles matter. Hydration, the overlooked anabolic. Mental clarity. No afternoon crash. No brain fog.
Confidence, not arrogance, the quiet confidence of self-reliance.
Social pressure. It doesn't exist when the goal is clear. Milestones are quiet. The work continues.
You don't miss the old you. You outgrew him.
Evolution. Never stop learning. Never stop improving.
While the world rests, the discipline prepare.
Track it. If you aren't measuring it, it isn't happening. This isn't a diet. Diets end. This is a system.
Eat with intention, fuel, not entertainment.
The world belongs to the prepared. Respect the tools. Respect the process.
The question isn't, do I have time? The question is it a priority?
Build your body. Build your life. Start today.